if you're starting your IIT preparation today, then this is the right video which you play, because you should not make the same mistake that thousands of people make every year. In the next few minutes, I will exactly teach you why to prepare, what to prepare, and how to study. So, why it's too late? So let's begin our video. Here, if you follow the roadmap and the procedure which I say you consistently for the next few months or an year, then this will be the right step that you have taken before stepping into the IIT. So now let's begin our video. Firstly, why to prepare? Exactly, why to prepare? So many students dream of IIT. What's special in IIT? So you should know that before exactly you prepare for IIT. So IIT is not just a magical place. It is a mix of a valuable people. You will be surrounded by the valuable people. So they have big dreams, and the professors are too good and they were excellent. Their IITs are far better than Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3 colleges surrounded by you. So once you step there, if you are not that good, even that environment will change you to be that good. So it might not change by one day, but you see the surrounding successful people and the people who are having big dreams and ideas, and you will be motivated in that way so that you can start something new and you can explore different opportunities and different big companies first step into IITs. So that is the place which you should be. So if you want to be in such a great place, then you should definitely move to the next step. And I know that you have curiosity that what to prepare. I do have curiosity to explain you. So next, go to the next part of the video. Okay, coming to what to prepare. So many people start preparation, but they don't know this. They open a chapter and they do bits one by one. They get some irritation at a huge bit. They don't even know the concept clearly and they start to do PYQs. So they don't get those. So it's not the right way of preparing. There is some good way of preparing, the best way, I guess. So what I suggest you to do is, first listen a video or listen to your professor's class on a chapter. What chapters, ma'am? So you should have some selected chapters. What are those? I will make a next video on it. What are those chapters? But for now, the suggestion I give you is choose the high weightage chapters. The high weightage chapters from maths, physics as well as chemistry. And firstly, you don't take 20-30 chapters from each subject and don't try to prepare like that. What you do is take limited chapters which you can do, so that after completing that you should get confidence that I'm a little bit ready to write my mains or advanced exams. So you select some selected chapters, high weightage chapters. For each chapter, you should listen a video or else your professor's class. If you think of one shot, you should get clear. You should be clear with all the concepts. And then what I suggest you to do is make a short notes, because at the last minute of time you don't have time to revise the entire video or entire materials which you have. So I suggest you to make a short notes. And then after making a clear short notes, now you go to some your materials or module which they give you in your college or some books. So after that you try to do those they will be somewhat easy, right? So try to do those problems on your own. Try them. If you didn't get anything, you have many AI tools available nowadays. You try to check out them, okay? And then you try many ways to solve those. I prefer you. So after resolving a limited problems in your module, when you get confidence that yes I can do it, then you shift to the main PYQs, which will be your strength, which will boost your knowledge. So PYQs, do the latest year PYQs. Don't dig back. Just firstly, I'm not saying you to do not to do all PYQs, but when you have a limited time, what you should do? You should do smart work. So right. So then you do a limited latest years of PYQs. Try to do as many as problems so that you can cover the entire chapters in which the time you have. So try to do PYQs on your own. If not at all possible, then go to hints. But for next time when you come to that problem, you should get, for this problem I used that formula. So in that way, you should do PYQs. So when you get a confidence, you move to the next chapter. Don't waste time on a single chapter, because you have a huge syllabus for preparing for your mains and advanced. You should cover the entire syllabus of your 11th class and 12th class. So you complete a chapter in this way. What are those steps I told you? The first step is listen a video or a professor's class, okay, so that you can get all concepts. Then the second step will be prepare a short notes, so which covers all the important formulae. And the third step, do the simple bits, modular or some material bits. And the first step, you go to PYQs. After getting a confidence on the chapter, then you move to the next chapter. In the same way for 3 chapters. So, if you ask me for to suggest some books, I prefer for maths, Engage is the best, and for physics, H.C. Verma, and for chemistry, organic, M.S. Chauhan, and you can go for NCRT. NCRT will be the best also. Okay, now we completed our first part. What is it? Yeah, why to prepare. And the second part, what to study. The third most important part where all of you people lack, that is how to study. Most of you people will prepare plans and all, but they don't know actually what, they don't do consistently, they don't follow the plans. They make, I should do these chapters, these questions, these and all, but they don't follow. But you should. When you get demotivated, once you dream of how my situation will be when I step into IIT, how my entire life is going to be, yeah, 1 year of my hard work is going to decide how my entire life should be. Once you get a point, all these points into your brain, and then start your work, at least as the big IIT aspirants, you should spend 3 hours per subject, and in 3 hours, 1 hour should be of listening a concept, and remaining 2 hours should be the problems you should be the PYQs which you should solve. So I hope you understood. It's 3 hours for each subject, which means 3 are 9 hours a day. You should contribute. If not 3, at least try to do 2. But if the IIT and IIT entrance exams are not at all easy, you should remember this. And in my next video, I will suggest you which chapters, and I will try to give you the best information. But for now, and this is going to be an end of this video. I hope my words motivated you, and if I also should get motivated, no? So please do subscribe and like and share for your friends who are suffering to how to prepare and all. And that's it. Thank you, and I hope you will follow entirely. And you should comment me when you get seat in your IIT. So, ma'am, I listened to your video, and it helped me a lot. And this will give me a boost to help the students a lot more like you. Thank you.